1 minute, boys. 1 minute, boys. So I was a little late with that, guys. I was kind of getting scared right there. Alright, it's back on. Boy, another one? Boy, they're not even that much rain.
The following is an important message for the following counties in Michigan: Lenawee, Macomb, Monroe, St. Clair, Washington, and Wayne.
Yeah, that's us.
Weather Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in Monroe County in southeastern Michigan. Wayne County.
See, this is like the one thing that scares me the most, those EAS warnings, though. It scares the crap out of me. I don't know why. I mean, it's really helpful because it helps us during the times we need it. Boy, 11:30 Sunday morning? Are you kidding me? No dip. Dang.
That will experience flooding include Warren, Ann Arbor, Livonia, Southfield, Taylor, St. Clair Shores,
Taylor? Dude, that's where my sister's at right now, though. Boy, look at all that rain. Never mind. Forget my earlier statement. It's gonna flood. Good. Right.
Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely.
God. Jesus. That'll be the last one. Alright, that's the last one. Dang, guys. Did you hear that? Yeah, I just heard that. See ya.